Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two magnetic curtain rods. So here I have the TYRON. I really do like it because its magnets have they're really strong. They have a felt cover so it won't damage the door. These are made by WL.Rocaille rod. Now they don't have that, and sometimes these will mark your rod. The rod's a little bit bigger on this one, the one that will make a mark. And sticks out a little bit farther, which I'm going to set it up. There's a bigger end and a smaller end. Yeah, I had the smaller end, sorry. Push that in. It's just held in with friction. Push that on. These, a little bit more secure, I think. You've got a small end. Push that in. Kind of clicks into place. Then over here, I will show you them on a door also. But now you can see there's a little bit of a difference in size. So this one is going to stand about 1.75 inches, about 1.5 inches, almost 1.75 inches. This one's a lot small, 1.25 inches. Even the magnet is a lot of it, smaller. This one's 1.25 inches. This one's 1.25 inches, but this way it's about 2.25 inches. But the rod is a little bit more robust, but I think this one's going to work fine. So originally I had these rods. These are the ones that make a mark. As you can see it's already marked up my door. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. It's really strong and it looks nice. But here's the one that doesn't mark up if I need to move it, it's also, I feel like it's just as strong a magnet. Again, the rod's a little bit smaller, but it's not going to make a mark. Doesn't make a mark. And it's just as strong. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.